From Coimbatore to Bangalore, the roads are like butter smooth.
Yep.
No, what do you think? Can we catch that guy?
What? You mad or what? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah,
Bro,
that's it.
bro, my rock will hit your paper, bro.
When you see me, you better run. Play duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
So this is where we checked in. This is the room. My man Sajid is packing up. I'm all ready. So let me show you the rooftop view. Check out this view, guys. It's amazing, isn't it? And there is the car. So we actually decided to stay here for 2 days, but then there is no point of staying near beach, that too in Alapura. So we decided to book another room near backwaters, which is like 7 kilometers away from here, and we'll go there. I'll directly go there and show you that room tour, and we will start to Bangalore tomorrow morning after 31st night.
And Abu is getting ready from like past 2 hours. Bro, we have to check out in like 5 minutes.
I'm ready, bro.
Doesn't look like you're ready, bro. What is that in your hand?
Bro, my bag is full.
How, bro? How can it be full? You can fit more stuff in.
I know, bro, but it will tear off.
But what's the use of it when you can't carry stuff? Basic
Bro,
stuff.
please, no drishti, no
What is
drishti.
this? LV?
We have finally checked out of the property, and check this out, man. That's a Nissan Sunny. Nice looking Nissan.
Car is dirty as fuck.
Yeah, bro, seriously, our car got dirty. All right. It's too hot, way too hot over here, man. I feel like I'm in Chennai, not in Kerala.
Yeah.
And check this beautiful Range Rover out. Finally out of the hotel. I could not show you guys a room tour because we were roaming whole day yesterday, and then we checked in the evening, and New Year party started.
Yeah, and
We woke up just now, and then we checked out. By the way, I forgot to tell the time. It's 12:12 in the afternoon, and we are starting to where, bro?
left, I guess, most probably.
Bangalore is about 593 kilometers away from here, and Google says it will take 12 hours. Oh boy. And from Bangalore my home is 8 hours, so we have to cover 1000 kilometers in 24 hours, bro. Sajid, by the way, happy new year, guys. It's January 1st 2022. Thank you guys for hitting 10k plus before January, as I asked. That was a close call. We thought of going to boat house, spending night over there in the boat, but then we decided not to for some reason, and we stayed back near the rivers.
Our food was good. I guess that's the best part. The food
Yeah,
was damn tasty. So we had ordered traditional Kerala food.
I saw pineapple chutney. Pineapple is basically a sweet fruit, and these guys are making chutney over it, like spicy sweet chutney.
And it's not bad.
And here we go, the proper off-roading bridge again. Holy shit, it's scary, man.
Like it.
All right. The angle was so steep that even the sensors started sensing. Kerala has good roads, not denying the fact, but this Google Maps is not taking us through proper roads. I think it's not working properly over here. All right. Just let's get some.
Bro, this is electric station and ours is diesel.
Bro, this is future, bro.
we shouldn't be here. It's illegal.
Let's recharge our vehicle for next 8 hours and start to Bangalore. Spotted this electric charge station over here, so why not just check it out? It's right on the highway and it has got some, I don't know, 142 kilovolts fast charger manufactured by Zcom. I just want to know how much do they charge. Oh, I think this is only for 2 cars. It's only for 2 cars, I guess. Just want to know how much do they charge for this. It's a government charging station. I can clearly see that's the government of Kerala e-mobility project. My man Sajid is cleaning up the car. I'm gonna join him. Check it out, guys. Electric Nexon is pulling up. They look really confused, man. I don't know what they're gonna do now. Let's see. Yo, what are you doing in electric station, bro, Sajid?
We're at the wrong fuel station, man.
Anyways, guys, my man Sajid is gonna drive from now on. Let me just wear seatbelt. So this is how the map looks. We are currently in Alapura. We have to go to Kochi, then Thrissur, then Coimbatore, then from there Bangalore. We have covered the Munnar part. We are not going that way now. Google is taking us via Thrissur. I don't know, man. Thrissur. I don't know, man. Just had breakfast over here and I don't know who's gonna drive now. We have done about 250 kilometers and Sajid, who's gonna drive now?
Let's toss.
You think I have a coin?
Yeah.
Let's toss.
Let's toss them. Let's put up a toss. Winner's gonna drive these sexy roads. These roads are so damn good. Heads or tails, Abu?
Let's go.
Okay, come on. I would say tails. You
Heads.
You cheated.
No,
I
bro.
know you've cheated, bro.
Bro, you check-
bro,
you check the
bro,
camera.
cheated. No. See, that's what I'm saying.
I'm
Is
so
it cheater?
sorry. It's heads. All right. Yeah. What the hell, guys? I thought roads are gonna be good for next 100 kilometers at least, but then damn, bro.
That's what you get when you cheat.
I didn't cheat, bro. Traffic here, man. It's like next level. We are stuck here since 10 minutes. We didn't go Wayanad because if we go to Wayanad again, we have to take the Bandipur road and the Mysore road. And another reason is Mysore road is completely effed up, so we decided not to take that and go via Thrissur, Coimbatore. From Coimbatore to Bangalore, the roads are like butter smooth.
We already had one check engine light via Mysore.
Yeah, man. I took my cruise on Mysore road and gone. I got a check engine light. Yeah, it's just because of too much vibrations. I think some wire came loose or something. My friends actually went to Wayanad yesterday. In his Fortuner he went and he was like, never come through this road.
Yeah, exactly. It's so painful to drive. Even if you have a off-roader, right, you would be killing the car.
150 kilometers took around 4 to 5 hours even in Fortuner. Then imagine the road. Okay, so this particular bridge was under construction, so we had to detour for a bit. We can go from here as well, bro. We can, bro.
No, bro.
XUV, bro.
It's too high, bro. But
It's XUV, bro. As per the Google Maps, we are 10 hours away from Bangalore. Google says 8 hours, which means it will take 10 hours for us to reach there. And it is 455 kilometers away from here. I think we will reach there by 3 in the night. Hopefully before 3. There is a night curfew going on in Bangalore. Why the hell is this Mark guy flashing at me like anything? He just wants me to move, that's all. He is not asking for any kind of, run.
He's in a hurry. Damn. Sexy
What do you think, bro, Sajid? What do you think?
Mercedes for life, man. When I see that car, my heart just melts.
No, what do you think? Can we catch that guy?
What? You mad or what?
Bro, it's XUV,
no,
bro.
You should have.
Bro, it's XUV, bro.
No, you should have ambitions, okay? That is out of ambition. That's a dream. There's a difference between ambition and a dream.
Bro, where is that guy? Can't even see him.
Mahindra is an ambition. Mercedes is a dream.
Alright guys, that's a extreme quote by our famous Sajid.
Guys, road tax would be as big as our car tax. Ex-showroom price.
Why bro? Why do you talk all this, bro? I get depression for no reason. Damn bro, now I know why people are staring inside the cabin.
Why?
I have just realized ki since past 3 days in the nights, we are driving like psychopaths, bro.
Why, bro?
The interior lights are on, music is off,
Oh.
everything silent, GoPro to my head.
Oh shit.
Damn
man.
bro, because of this GoPro, people are thinking that we are psychopaths.
All these days I was thinking they might be staring at the Mahindra or the GoPro on your head.
That's what, now I know, every time I stop at a signal, people are like checking what's inside the car, what and all, where you are from, etc. Oh.
Turning these off.
Hey bro, content before anything.
See?
It is already a pain in ass to charge all these GoPros, mobiles and watches, AirPods. Oh man, everything is related to power now, and imagine buying a EV in this situation.
You'll probably buy a EV backup or something. You'll have a car that's following your main car. If you run out of charge, you'll be taking charge from that car.
If you own a EV, then you should forget sudden trips and sudden plans.
Yeah.
No sudden plans for life. Acha, okay. Why so angry, bro?
చాలు తీగలు
ఆ మూలకు పెడదాం.
వాడు తీయట్లా పెట్టాడు అంతే.
అబ్బా వాడు చెప్పినందుకన్నా ఇక్కడ పెడతారా? పెట్టుకుంటాడు వాడు. చేతులు చూపిస్తాడు. Let's go get some food, bro. Sajid just had tea and all over here, and we are going back.
Yo, bro, unlock this.
Bro, wait, bro. I have to drive, bro.
No, you've already driven once, okay?
Bro, but I won the toss.
No, that's valid only for.
All right, we'll make another toss, bro. Then
No, you're cheating. Let's not do toss.
Then
Let's
what?
do something else. Let's do rock paper scissors. Yeah.
All
Chalo,
right,
chalo. Let's
all
do it.
right.
Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors.
Bro,
that's it.
bro, my rock will hit your paper, bro. This is cheating, bro. You cheated, bro,
Go
clearly.
sit. Passenger, go sit. It's my turn now.
All right, guys. All right. All right,
Bro, you scared?
all right, guys. I lost. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna edit the video now, and my man Sajid is going to smoke.
I don't want to smoke.
Are you gonna smoke, bro?
No, bro. I just want to reach our destination.
My man Sajid is going to smoke BMW M8.
Yeah.
Only thing which gives confidence to floor this car is the brakes. They are sharp and accurate. And my man Sajid was sleeping and snoring 2 minutes ago, and he's wide awake now, looking at the road. I floored it because I was kind of sleepy. Whenever you're sleepy, you either stop or floor the car. That kind of kicks your adrenaline in, and you will be fresh for next 2 hours. That's a very good shortcut to stay safe and not sleep while driving. By the way, bro, how did you like our Kerala trip? Rate it out of 10.
Oh, damn. That's going to be tough.
Start with Munnar roads and
Munnar.
complete Munnar.
I would give 9 out of 10 for Munnar. reduced one because the roads were narrow.
And what about Alapura? Which one you like, Munnar experience or Alapura? Alapura is kind of a first time experience,
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. I would give it a 8 out of 10 for the backwaters.
Everybody should seriously visit Kerala, man. From just like Ladakh, it's a whole different experience. We had two options to go to hometown from Alapi. One is 100 kilometers short, which takes us via the Chittoor and Kadapa, and another one takes us via Bangalore. We chose another one because we have some work in Bangalore. Karnataka border, RTO. I hope they don't stop.
They didn't stop us.
Yeah, bro, nobody is stopping, bro. Your car has earned it, bro. The pride.
The mileage.
No, bro, the rattle sounds finally. Finally. Your car is officially a travel car. Even if you take a Rolls Royce on these roads, it will start rattling. Doesn't matter what car you drive, Indian roads will make it rattle. We got to turn on the defogger again. Since we are heading towards Bangalore, the temperatures are drastically dropping, man. Like outside temperature is 19 degrees and the cabin temperature is 23. It's not 23, AC is off. It should be 28 or
Zero, sir. Nano diesel. Full tank, sir.
Yes. Check this out, guys. My man is cleaning the windshield for free, I guess. I think in Shell, when you get a tank full, you get this in compliment, or maybe this guy is doing just because I'm carrying a GoPro. What, bro? What did you get, bro?
As usual, the bills and our mints. Not sponsored.
Tank is full. That's the most beautiful feeling you'll ever get as a car guy.
Bangalore fuel prices are very low.
Very, very cheap, man. Every time I come to Bangalore, I feel like, carrying some small Bisleri bottles and smuggling fuel from here to there. ఎన్నిసార్లు రికార్డ్ చేసినా తక్కువేరా మామ సిటీ.